are in Delhi right now, trying to find the two fucktards, and there is no sign of the two fucktards here.
Man, chod sale.
Those are the fucked up asses. Kai! Srivastav! What's up?
क्या हो गया तुझे?
Bye.
Man, chod. गांड मरा.
Hot action between the tiger and the tigress.
Chalo, okay, start. 1, 2, 3, go. That's it.
तुझे पकड़ना भी तो था.
वीडियो ले रहा है.
I don't know these two guys. Where are we?
Dariba Kalan.
This is some random place, Dariba Canal. It's awesome food and closed shops, which is weird. Okay, I don't know if you can see my face. See it better because we are with.
पानी दे
So this looks good.
इसको तेरे को पता नहीं है ना हम जो ऐड कर रहे थे अभी.
नहीं वैसा.
मैक स्पाइसी की ऐड है.
पानी दे
पसीने से छूट रहा है.
तेरे को भी बहुत पसीना आ रहा है.
This also is.
This is like awesomely good. Focus on my mouth, bro. Focus on my mouth.
Nice. There's some sick gravy.
खा ले ला. मुझे पकड़ा.
अरे किसी को लास्ट.
ला मैं होगा.
अबे पकड़ ला यार तू निकाल अपना.
ला मुंह में खिलाया तो.
मुंह में गिला. कितना गंदा दिख रहा था. दीदी को खानी टिक्की और
ज़्यादा खाया भी नहीं यार. तेरे को बनवानी है बनवा.
Okay. Later. Bye bye.
I'm loving it.
We were talking about money
and the money. According to JC, logical arguments come out in the money department.
Yeah.
Not like otherwise just B and B and B.
Otherwise, you will only be figuring out how many B's you can.
Okay,
See, Ramnagar to Moradabad, you buy the ticket. Then Moradabad to Chandigarh, you buy another ticket.
No, that is true.
Right. But which will come around how much?
He doesn't know the finances himself.
You have to include the cancellation charges also.
Yeah.
Okay.
40 rupees add karna.
Including 40 rupees and plus the ticket charges from. Oh, sorry. Including 40 rupees and the ticket charges from Ramnagar to Moradabad is still cheaper than the whole ticket from.
How do you know that?
I know, I've seen the ticket.
Bus fare?
Huh?
How do you know bus fare?
From Moradabad to Chandigarh, it's the same distance as Ramnagar to Delhi. So I'm assuming it will be the same bus fare.
No. You cannot assume that. You must point the camera at me. No. You cannot assume that.
How do you know? Okay, this is weird.
See, we are diverting.
So the
again.
thing-
You need to talk about money.
Yeah.
This is not being talked about.
Yeah.
You need to talk about money. Talking about bus conductors and shit. That is not good.
But do not make
उसको दिला
But see, from Ramnagar to Delhi, we can take Delhi transport.
All of you are being stupid.
Delhi transport is more.
All of you are being stupid.
I'm not saying anything.
Only Jesse is making the valid point.
Delhi
Money.
roadways is better than Uttarakhand roadways.
That is a bullshit argument.
That is infallible logic.
So you come to Delhi just to travel on its roads.
No, that bus, not on the roads.
Wait.
That bus is paradise. There's 72
But
versions
Moradabad
inside.
is nearer to Ramnagar than to Delhi.
So you save time, you save money, so it's a better
But
option.
it's such a bloody hassle. It's at night.
Seriously, how is
It's a
that?
hassle.
Crappy logic.
What
You just
crappy logic?
cancel the days, you just book
I have to cancel the bloody ticket.
That's online. It's not much you have to do. Just click. What?
I'm a bit dirty.
जैसा प्लान है वैसा रहने दो बाकी सब गांड में रहो सिंपल
Beep.
अबे seriously यार cancel कर दे. Let's go.
Okay, just let it be now, yeah. See, when we come back to Delhi, we can also just visit Akshardham.
Now, if you're coming back for Akshardham, then you can understand. Otherwise, no.
Akshardham is like awesome. It's like the most godlike place in the world. It's clean.
but
Yes. Who's? Shaila style. We agree, Shaila man.
What is an inside?
Brothers.
so
Beep.
so but we'll come to Delhi in the night, right?
No.
अबे रामनगर से शाम को चलेगा ना
Another thing, yeah. Delhi accommodation will be a problem. I'll have to book that thing again.
Just book it now.
He won't agree again, na? In that same place, we'll have to find another place.
Just let's get a hotel one night okay.
One night.
So we are spending on the hotel. So
Yeah,
charges
that
are
is
coming
the-
up.
Jesse has owned you dead and buried.
But we can visit
Dead and buried.
So Akshardham we can go tomorrow. We can go to Akshardham tomorrow.
Tomorrow we have to,
Dead and buried, yeah.
you have to go to the ISBT.
Okay, that we can do.
It's not the ISBT.
It is the ISBT.
It's just ISBT.
It is the interstate bus terminus.
The ISBT, but okay.
Okay, yeah, anyways, I'm saying we can go to Akshardham tomorrow. You can squeeze out some time. Can you stop zooming in?
What about Jama Masjid?
Dude, we can go to
Jama Masjid is important.
Jama Masjid ke Minar se karna. That is a good
Olive falling out.
Can you stop diverting from the topic again? Seriously, stay on the topic.
Cookies nice.
Waiting.
अब बंद कर दे.
But
It is long.
no. Jesse has owned
It's boring, okay, bye-bye.
Day 2 afternoon.
Day 2 afternoon because the whole morning was spent doing nothing at all.
Day 2 and Vatsa looks like this. Early morning,
I'm to getting a French.
9 o'clock.
I'm getting a French beard.
Yeah, he's getting a French beard. We technically have to bathe and we still haven't decided where we are going.
Me too.
Where we are going.
Still have to find out the V plan.
And the V plan is still hanging in the balance. Hanging like a V. But
It's like an inverted V on a rope.
Dude, because the whole morning was spent doing nothing at all. Look at that. That's almost amazing, man. This is amazing. It's like and the pakoras are almost ready.
You don't get shit like that in Chandigarh or anywhere.
Yeah, I know. See, look at that. That's almost amazing, man. This is amazing. Actually, you look like Gaddafi. जा रहे तू
लोग रह रहे हैं
अंदर जा रहे
अब हम जा रहे हैं
अरे बाप रे
एक
आ जाओ कोई गल्ली
भी आ रही है भाग ले चल मेरे साथ
दूसरे क्लस्टर ऑफ नाइट में फज
अबे I could have done it with Jesse, come on.
फोटो ले रहे क्या वीडियो
अरे इतनी देर लगाएगा खोबड़ा अपना भी दिखा दे
What's up?